Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, we unboxing the
Steering wheel.
Logitech G923
Steering wheel.
steering wheel. Here is.
With pedals.
Yep. Slowly.
Okay.
The other side.
Oh, don't look there. You gotta take it down like this.
Okay. There you go.
G20.
G923. There is Logitech.
Okay, put the box inside.
There is guys PlayStation Logitech. Here, TRUEFORCE G923 racing wheels and pedals. There you go.
Ow.
Here it is. TRUEFORCE. I hope TRUEFORCE.
I don't think it's gonna be thrueforce.
Slowly.
Is it like the same thing that we got last time?
Slowly. Here is the instructions.
This is the steering wheel. This is thrueforce.
There you guys, the steering wheel.
Says on the side thrueforce. Thrueforce.
Yep. There you go.
Got the Logitech logo. And let's see.
And here, these are good.
Also, the pedals are black. Everything's black. On the thing, it's here. Cord.
Adapter is the cord, power
Here,
cord, and this is the
very
pedal.
heavy.
There you go guys. Here, all inside. Have everything here. There you go. And then we put in here. In here guys. There you go. And we put this here. There you go. And this we put this here. And then this one. This one, the pedal connection we put in here too. There you go. So there is. So connect now, and this, or put this in here too. There you go. So there is. So we put now in this in the cockpit. Okay guys, we put this now here. The pedal. There. So the pedal. the steering wheel. So we put this here. So yan guys. I put the screw here.
It's okay, like it's kind of raised. The screen's a little bit like as much as there is like cut off, but it's okay. I lean back. Yeah, it's good.
So far away.
Yeah, so do it.
Here is RJ. This thing. Here's the new steering wheel and new cockpit.
I get this thing off.
And you can open in here.
Open it up. Open it up.
There you go.
Hard to open up. Okay, you want to record putting it in? Okay.
Okay guys, so we connect this adapter guys with the power cord. So we put in this here outlet.
Then power it on.
So
What's happening?
this the USB extension. This is guys the power adapter from the steering wheel in there.
Yeah,
And
so
then-
this is the
This is the extension of your
so where you put more
USB.
USBs on it. See?
USB. Then
And then
we
this.
put this the USB
connected.
from the steering wheel
If you
USB and
Which
then
one? Middle
we
one or
put
this one? Fit
in here. So oh, look at that guys. Is there you go guys.
Has blue light now.
It's moving. Okay. So we waiting for download in there in the TV. We testing. There you go guys. The setup, steering wheel and cockpit.
Will it work? Let's see. Added
You're so
cushion.
high.
Added
Put,
pillow.
you put the other pillow.
Will it work now?
It's safe work.
There you go.
It's work?
Yeah. Oh.
You reach the pedal,
Yeah.
the water goes right down through the pedals.
Here is Gran Turismo testing.
Turn off the big light.
Oh yeah, I'm driving. I don't really have that much force. Retry.
Gran Turismo
Why is it
7.
so high?
Pull the table out when you use it.
There you go. Nice, RJ.
Every time the true force goes 50.
There you go.
This is what it feels like if you're going 100 miles per hour. This car to the finish. It's NASCAR! It's the NASCAR finish, baby!
Can you adjust true force? You play that?
Yeah, you can adjust. Like a vibration there.
Shaking the whole thing.
I
Shaking my head.
I always said that, but I have less vibration. It just doesn't feel right.
Here's nice. So that's it, our video for today, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.